So I've had this machine since I made this video for several months and I wanted to update it. We do use this about 3 times a day. If we have company, then it's used more than that. So it makes a pretty good amount of cups of coffee a day and it has been absolutely amazing. I love the fact that it does have 5 prongs for the coffee to kind of engulf the whole capsule in there and just give you a richer, a bolder taste in the coffee. This is absolutely amazing. It holds a lot of water, so we can definitely fill it up for the whole day. I can make iced coffee, hot coffee, different sizes depending on what I'm in the mood for, and different flavors. In between flavors, I do use one of those pots that does clean it out so that the flavors don't contaminate each other. But this machine is absolutely awesome and love it.